Hello guys, it's another video today and we are going to the dentist kasi ilang araw na pong sumasakit yung ngipin ko. Every 6 hours na painkillers, hindi na po siya tumatalab guys. Ang sakit na talaga. Selfie lang din yung bagong gising na matawang face na hindi pa nakapagligo. Here in Malaysia guys, kahit anong suotin mo dito, walang magko-comment sa'yo, mind your own business talaga. Bumili lang din ako ng water and we're going to the clinic na. So, meron ditong elevator at hagdan. Pero of course, dahil tamad tayo, mag-elevator tayo. I noticed din pala guys that most of the offices here in Malaysia, pag nag-close yung doors nila, may automatic lock siya. So, pag nasa labas ka, someone from the inside has to open the door for you or dapat may keycard ka. Finally, we're here in the clinic and sinabihan din pala ako ng secretary na mag-breakfast bago pumunta dito pero hindi ako nakapag-breakfast. So, after ko mag-fill out ng information, sabi niya, kumuha lang ako ng food or any choco drink. Nagtimpla lang ako ng Milo and uminom ng konti while waiting na tawagin para pumasok sa check-up room.
That one we need to take an X-ray to see what happened. Cannot bite. Bite also got pain.
Now, yeah.
Okay.
Condition. That middle teeth where there's healing on both sides. That's the one hurting.
Yeah. Bite now also pain. Okay, we take an X-ray to see what happened inside, and then we'll check whether we can save this tooth or not on the X-ray. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any medical problem?
No.
There's something growing under here. Okay. You see this color? Okay. Same width. Okay. Until here, you see this.
There's
Maybe
no more
different.
line.
The line is become something round.
So it's supposedly it's gonna have like
Yes.
this.
So supposed to be like this all throughout. Same. Okay. See here. Swelling here. Then go up again. Here. You can see this one also slightly already. Can you see the line is not there anymore, and then it become thick. It become thick. Okay, not like here. See, you see. You can compare these two.
Finally guys, I'm done. So the dentist gave me two options, either tooth extraction or root canal. Syempre pinili ko tooth extraction kasi medyo mura. 223 ringgit po yung binayad ko, including na po yung mga gamot dyan. And ang galing and bait ng dentist kasi she explained everything to me. And kahit po masakit yung ngipin ko, binunot po nila. They just had to inject several times ng anesthesia to make sure na wala akong sakit na mararamdaman. And of course, yung secretary nila mabait din kasi she gave me all the tips kung paano alagaan yung ngipin ko after ng tooth extraction. So yun lang for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!